For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. We have the forecast for next 24 hours commencing 3rd of April morning. The main points in this brief are going to be the weakening of low pressure area which was there in the Bay of Bengal Andaman Sea and arrival of an active western disturbance which should be giving fair amount of weather over northern parts. We have a look at the weather features positioned over different parts of the country. The earlier western disturbance which limited its activity over the hills only has already cleared Jammu Kashmir area, but as I said, another one is just on the doorsteps now. It should be causing weather for the next about 4 days, commencing 4th morning if not 3rd night. That should be covering Jammu Kashmir area, Himachal, Uttarakhand, also more over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal, little less over Uttarakhand, and the activity is going to trickle down even to parts of Punjab, Haryana, especially along the foothills, and even possibly a thunderstorm even over Delhi, but that should happen on 4th, 5th, 6th and more intense on 5th and 6th. But for these 24 hours on 3rd of April, it just arrives and parks itself just on the outskirts and the weather conditions just remain okay. Marginal rise in the temperature is likely. With this, the reversal in the winds is going to be again there over the northern parts. The hottest pocket, that's again Gujarat, will see some rise in the temperatures. As in the previous 24 hours also, many places have in excess of 40 degrees, including Gandhinagar, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Bhuj and the northern Gujarat, including Vasant Kanta, Disa, Patan and Mehsana and Palanpur area. This will have all in excess of 40 degree temperatures. Parts of Maharashtra also are hot, particularly Vidarbha and adjoining Marathwada region. Many places 42, 43, particularly Nagpur, Gondia, Chandrapur, Amravati, Akola, this belt is hot. Coming down south, parts of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, like the previous 24 hours, along with Tamil Nadu, this is going to be the hot pockets, especially Chennai. Chennai is recording above normal temperatures by almost about 5 to 6 degrees for the last couple of days, and then this will continue for some more days over this region. Even interiors of Tamil Nadu, inclusive of Salem, Karur, Tanjavur, Trichy, Madurai. The coastal stations also not very comfortable. They are highly humid and temperatures in excess of 35 degrees even at Nagapattinam, Pamban, Tondi, all these Karaikal, these areas are having high temperatures. The pocket along Odisha, which was earlier heat has abated, that has now the temperature eased out, and as we had some activity in the previous 24 hours, this is going to enhance further, and then we can have some scattered rain and thunder shower activity over coastal parts of Odisha, inclusive of Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and the coastal parts of even Puri, Gopalpur, etc., and travelling southward along the coast. Circulation persists still over parts of Bihar, eastern parts of Bihar, western parts of Assam, sub-Himalayan, West Bengal. This is the one which is causing weather activity, especially over Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, little less over the other southern states, that's Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Isolated activity will be there. The Bay Islands, this is the feature. This low pressure area is weakened now. It's closed in further to Arakan region and then Gulf of Marathwan. It should be persisting for some time, maybe as a weak cyclonic circulation now, causing weather activities over these areas. Bay Islands, inclusive of Car Nicobar, Port Blair, Maya Bandar, Hut Bay, Long Island, they should be getting clear of this, only isolated to scattered rain and thunder shower expected over that area. But the sea condition is going to be still rough over these parts for the next about 48 hours. That's the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.